Start by seating the plunger so it fills with water and pushes the air out before you begin to plunge. Position the flange plunger so the cup is at an angle as you insert it into the drain, allowing the lower edge to trap water inside the cup while the top edge displaces air. This creates a water column that transmits force more effectively than trapped air. Press down gently until the cup is full of water and you see no air pockets. Then rotate slightly to force any remaining bubbles out through the gap and achieve an even seal. Firmly press the flange against the opening to form a tight gasket with the sink or toilet surface, using your forearm to maintain steady pressure while you begin plunging. Use slow, deep pushes at first to maintain the seal, then switch to quicker, more forceful strokes once you confirm the water is moving. Avoid lifting the plunger too high because that reintroduces air and reduces effectiveness. If the plunger keeps drawing in air, add more water to the bowl until the cup is fully submerged, or use your hand to smooth the rim and expel trapped bubbles before resuming. For stubborn clogs, alternate brief vigorous pumps with a longer steady pull to break the seal and flush debris away while preventing suction loss. A common mistake is inserting the plunger straight in when there is air in the cup, which causes each stroke to compress air and waste force. Correct this by angling the plunger during insertion so water fills the cup. People often fail to establish a proper seal and then increase effort, which only strains the tool and wastes time. Ensure the flange sits flush and use your body weight to hold it while you pump. Another issue is lifting the plunger too high between strokes, which lets air into the cup and dramatically reduces pressure. Keep the plunger close to the drain surface and add water if necessary to maintain submersion. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners discover local contractors and compare user experiences related to plumbing and other home jobs. We host a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and share hands-on advice to help both homeowners and contractors find work and solve problems.